Hello everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with Be Creative, and today we're making king cake sliders. So the ingredients you need are the King's Hawaiian dinner rolls. You will also need some sprinkles, purple, green, and gold of course, powdered sugar, cinnamon, brown sugar, vanilla, cream cheese, and butter. And I will leave details on this recipe down in the description box below. But if you have a hard time finding the sprinkles, check not only the baking aisle, but also the party aisle. This is where I found these. So we have a half a cup of butter, a fourth a cup of brown sugar, and a teaspoon of cinnamon. Now this is a 24 pack. They did not have anything but 24 pack. I'm only going to use half of this. The other half I'm going to freeze for another time. So I cut these in half and I spread half of the cinnamon sugar mixture on the bottom half. And I put the tops on and spread the other half of the mixture on the top. So now I'm going to put them in the oven at 350 for about 15 minutes. So while all that is cooking, I am going to mix up the topping, the cream cheese icing. So I've got 4 ounces of soft cream cheese, 6 tablespoons of soft butter, 1.5 cups of powdered sugar, a half a teaspoon of vanilla, and a half a teaspoon of cinnamon. And as you can tell, I have a house full of eager tasters. Should be done. I'm going to pull them out and let them cool. There they are, yummy, yummy. I went ahead and transferred them onto this plate because I want them to cool so I can icing them so we can eat them like really quick. All right, they've cooled probably for about 5 minutes in the refrigerator, and they're cooled enough. And so now I'm going to take this and spread it on here. All right, I have it all icing, and now's the time that I would probably add the baby, but we're not having a baby in this one because we have young children eating this, and I don't want them getting the baby and swallowing it. That would not be good. So the next thing we need to do is decorate it with purple, green, and gold sprinkles. The purple, and then we have the green. I could have mixed them up a little bit. And then we have the gold. How fun. And now it's all done. Now to enjoy it. Now I'm going to taste it. Mmm. Mmm. Oh, that was good. I give it a thumbs up, and I would show you, but my thumbs are messy. Mmm. Let's see how the kids like it now. All right, Alice, let's try it. What do you think? It's messy, huh? Do you need a fork? You're just gonna be messy. I was messy. Take a bite. All that sugar.
Make sure there's no baby in there.
There's not. Did you give it a thumbs up? Thumbs up. How about that? All right, Miss Clementine. What do you think? You give it a thumbs up? Let me see the thumbs up. All right, we have a second thumbs up. Charlie, is it good?
No.
No? Have you tried it yet?
I didn't.
Oh, you're waiting for your fork. All right, Trey's going to taste it. Stick it in your mouth. Okay, let me just say, Charlie is just like his dad. He is a big tease. Finally, Charlie took a bite. So, Charlie, did you like it? Yeah. Thanks for joining me, and let me know if you try this recipe. Y'all have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette with Be Creative, signing out for now. Bye-bye.